TARV is an accessibility-focused technology developed to help those with physical impairments, specifically those with little to no motor ability from the neck down, better interact with the world around them. This uses eye tracking as a means of allowing users to navigate various interfaces. The two interactions that you can enable include a screen interface mode and an object recognition mode that uses the principle that no interface is the best interface. TARV puts the target user first. The development process took a user-centric approach, and the team conducted several weeks of user research to inform the direction of the project. This research included meeting with accessible technology experts and shadowing individuals with physical impairments and spinal cord injuries, which then appropriately influenced our ideation. Most existing eye tracking technologies are reliant on dwell time as a selection mechanism. This means a user has to look at the item they would like to select for a certain amount of time before the technology recognizes it as having been selected. With this, time acts as a huge bottleneck. TARV eliminates this bottleneck by using gesture and zone-based triggers, which provides an instantaneous response from the system. Current eye tracking headsets and their corresponding systems tend to run into the thousands of dollars range as far as costs. The TARV system consists of a headset where the frame has the potential to be 3D printed. There are two cameras, one front-facing and one for the eye tracking, and several physical computing tools that can be bought online and easily assembled, bringing the cost of the entire environmental control system to run in the mid-hundreds of dollars range.